Hello friends, I am Shweta Singh, Assistant Professor, Biani Girls College. I welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. The topic of my lecture is cell cycle. So the first question is, what is cell cycle? Cell cycle, it is a set of macromolecular events which are highly coordinated and ultimately that leads to cell division. So this is the definition of cell cycle. Now why it is significant? What is the significance of a cell cycle? It consists of two steps. First is mitosis and second is meiosis. Mitosis is important because of mitosis growth occurs, which is very necessary for the survival. And second is meiosis. Why meiosis is important? Because it occurs in germ cells so that they can give rise to the next generation. Major steps, first is interphase and second is mitosis. Talking about the cycle, it actually occurs in 24 hours and each unit is divided into subsequent hours. First is G1 phase. In G1 phase, that occurs in 11 hours, and in G1 stage, protein and RNA synthesis take place. This is also called as post-mitotic phase because it occurs after mitosis. And then second stage is S phase. This is called as synthesis stage and this occurs at about 8 hours. This is very important stage because when the cell will divide into two daughter cells, DNA it has to be present in equal amounts. Then the third is G2, gap 2 phase, that occurs for 4 hours, and again in this case protein and RNA synthesis it take place. The last is mitosis, is for 1 hour. And the stages of mitosis are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Number 1, prophase. In this stage what happens? The chromosome, they condenses to form a very compact chromosomal material. All the nuclear membrane they disintegrate, ER and the Golgi, they all will disappear. Then we'll enter into the next stage of metaphase, in which the chromosome will align themselves in the equatorial plane and they will attach with the spindle through their kinetochore. The third is anaphase stage, in which what happens? The chromosomes are connected in centromere, the two chromatids are connected in the centromere and a protein which is called cohesin is present in that centromere. So proteolysis of that cohesin protein it will take place so that the spindles will move to opposite poles. That actually occurs in anaphase when the chromosomes that they will reach to the opposite poles. Telophase is that phase in which the two daughter cells will form. Here nuclear envelope it will reappear, Golgi bodies and ER all they will reappear, and in this way a particular cell will give rise to two different cells. This is what happens in case of mitosis. So this was all about a brief outlook of cell cycle. For more details you can log on to our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.